Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Walter's Car Reviews. This is the 2018 Chevy Equinox. Today I'm going to display how to use Android Auto. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm going to use the Android Auto on this Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as for an example. So what you're going to do is, you're going to go to your settings. You're going to go to Android Auto and make sure that thing's turned on. And while you plug this in, your phone, make sure it's connected right there. And I'll have to pause the camera too. Oh no, never mind, maybe not. There we go. See, it's connected. So Android Auto, so it already knows that. So you're gonna press switch. Close your phone. Let's see, lock to continue. And should be able to work. What will Android Auto do? Let me see that would work. Alright, there it is. See? That's how you set up Android Auto. And the most cool thing, you could use your own map, because this is the base, not the base actually, it's the LT, but still, it's actually really cool. You can, even though this thing doesn't come on the map, you can literally use your Google Maps that's connected to Android. This works on any Android phone, from the cheapest to the most expensive. It's really cool. It also works on Apple too. So if you get a car without a navigation system and with Android Auto, I actually recommend that too. If you get a car just get the car without a navigation system and make sure it has Android Auto, so you could just literally use this. You can use Google. It's actually much better and it's really economical too. Use it cheaper that way. And yeah, that's how you use it. This is Walter's Car Reviews here. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys. Walter's Car Reviews signing out.